Alright, so we got the Evo70. This is my take on it with my gold and black theme. Put it together a little while ago, did some repairs on it. I busted out a couple of the hot swap pads, or it's not pads, but sockets, and busted a pad. Fixed all that. And now we're in good working order. So I'm going to give you a quick sound test. I am using Glorious Pandas, lubed. I'm also using a Durock V2 stabs, nothing crazy there. And I put in 2 layers of Killmat, one on the bottom plate, a large one that kind of covers the entire bottom, and then another Killmat underneath the PCB. And that one I left the edges clear so that the underglow RGB could be free. But as you can see, I'm using the full aluminum chassis on this one instead of the acrylic, just because I kind of like the look in there. But if I ever want to switch it, I'll get some good underglow from that. Background noise, got my kids just playing around and watching some dyno trucks, so pardon that, but hopefully you'll be able to hear this. So just gonna do a little bit of typing and hope you guys enjoy. So first here are the stabs. Keycaps are Akko. This is the gold and black, so I forgot to mention that. So there you go. Hope you like that.